Welcome back everyone. If you're new, welcome to the channel. If you didn't know, this is the Sunday analysis where I break down 5 pairs while also supplying the news that is given from forexfactory.com. Link will be in the description for that website, okay? If you guys don't follow me over my Instagram, forex_Luz, I do little 1 minute videos called 1 minute analysis where I break down a different pair in 1 minute, giving us the inside of what we can be looking for throughout this pair. And if you do follow me, you would see that it would have been GU, and this is the pair we're starting off with now, okay? We can see here that price has been very bullish, okay? We're seeing a lot of inflation in the pound and in the dollar also, which is maybe why this price is pushing up, because we're inflating the pound, but the dollar is also getting weaker. So what I'm seeing here is I'm seeing that price is failing to break above this key level in the market. Here we're almost acting as a resistance. We've got a double top, we have a test here and a test here, and then an impulsive move, okay? So this can be a strong resistance or a strong supply level, okay? And we can also see here that we have got an impulsive move from this support level down here, okay? Look, we have a strong momentum shift telling us that there's buys in this market round here. What I'd want to see from this pair, if we're going to continue to buy, because I like to say trend is your friend, trade with the trend. If we're going to continue to buy, like I said over my Instagram post, I'd want to see price come back to this level, give us signs of wick rejections, indecision, and momentum shift from this level that we last saw from here. So a big push from this level, an impulsive move, a momentum shift, and then some bullish structure, and then maybe look to continue to buy back up to this level here. But again, price does what it wants, guys, as we know. Keep our options open. What I'd like to see is price break this level, okay? If we're going to break this level, this will indicate to us a lot of sell pressure, as here we've had a lot of buy pressure. So this will knock out all the buys waiting at this level. I then just want to see a pullback to this area. Again, guys, it doesn't have to come directly back to this level. It's an area in the market, okay? It's an area where price is reacting to. So we just want to see price come back to the area and then look for some nice bearish structure at this level. So I'm going to whack the news up on screen for you guys. Take a look what's going on here. And let's move on to our next pair. Okay, so this is a pair we've never actually looked at on this channel, and we're looking at EG. Euro pound, okay, and what we're seeing, we were seeing in the pound dollar that the pound was getting very strong and it was pushing up, but we've had a corrective move down or even a slight pullback or a reversal. This pair is showing, right, we've seen a lot of bearish structure, okay, we're seeing a lot of bearish structure. We're seeing price reject from this level, okay, but we're seeing a strong push to the upside, okay. I'm also seeing is this as maybe one of our levels we could respect to look for some buys, okay. So if price is gonna continue looking up, I'd like to see price respect around this area here. I want to see the bearish pressure depreciate, look for some wick rejections at this level, and then look for some bullish structure maybe back up to some of these levels here, okay. But the overall trend of this pair is looking very bearish. This could just be a strong impulsive move and we could be coming back, okay. But if we're going to look for buys, I'd want to see price stay above this level and stay above this level also. This could be a reversal, so we want to look for some bullish structure to buy. To sell, I want to see price break this level here, okay. So here is that there's a lot of buyers here. We want to knock out them buyers and then see some strong impulsive moves back up to the upside again, obviously creating our bullish structure, breaking this level, continuing up, okay. And if we're going to look for sells, for me, straightforward, I want to see price come below this level or stay below this level here, okay. Again, whacking the news up on screen for you guys. Take a look what's going on. Get clued up with what we're going to be looking for news throughout this week. Okay, you can notice I'm looking at a lot of pound pairs. I'm enjoying trading the pound at the moment, so I thought why not make some videos on it. So GJ is my second favourite pair, and we're seeing strength in the pound, guys. We're seeing absolute strength. But what I am seeing here is I'm seeing maybe a break of this trend line, okay. We're seeing price that's been very bullish, okay. The pound is strong at the moment, but is it just because it's being inflated? We're pumping money? Who knows, okay. But we're looking at price action. We want to see, I can see here that we are, round here we have a key level, okay, let's get rid of that. We're having a key level round here. We can see our strong wick rejections, price rejecting, okay, but we're also failing to make any sort of higher highs breaking this level. So what we could be looking for GJ is a potential reversal back down to maybe some of these levels here in the market, okay. So if I'm going to continue looking for buys, I want to see price stay above this level here, and I want to see some strong impulsive moves, and I'd probably look to buy only back up to this level here. And if we're going to look for some sells, again, I'd like to see price break this level, okay. I want to see price break, come away from it, then pull back, just come back to the area, give us some signs of wick rejections like we see here, and then I'd most likely sell back to this level here. And this is all I'm really going to be looking for in GJ. Okay, I'm going to let it play out a little bit. Or we could just see the pound starting to reverse. So we just want to wait out, let the price do its thing, see where the market wants to go. Again, whack the news up and swim for you guys. Take it in, take note, be prepared for the week. Okay, so we are looking at gold spot USD, okay, and I actually did a 1 minute analysis over on my Instagram, Forex_Loz, and if you guys are still watching, I appreciate every single one of you. Drop a comment if you're still watching right now. Keyword being, I don't know, donuts, man. Alright, so if you saw, I broke this down over on my Instagram, okay, and I said I wanted to see price hold above this level to look for sells, and if not, to look for buys, a break and a pullback. And what we can see is we can actually see that price has respected this resistance level, and we've had a strong push down. Look at this impulsive move here, man. Like, there's a lot of sellers waiting here. So for this pair, what I really want to see is I want to see price come back, okay? We've had a strong movement, we've had a strong push away from this key level. So this is telling us, right, that there is sellers sitting at this level here, okay? So let's see, so what I'd want to see to continue selling is I want to see price come back. I want to see price come back and show signs of rejections again, okay? Tell us that, right, there's still sellers at this level in the market. And if we can see wick rejections, okay, like we see here, and a strong impulsive move, we could then look for some bullish structure back down. But we need to break this level here where price is coming back to. But again, this is one we're going to have to wait and see, let the price play out to see where the market wants to go. If not, guys, because as always, price does whatever it wants, right? We might see price pull back in, and if we're going to look for buys, we want to see price push back in, close above, okay, completely knocking out these sellers. It's important that price closes above, okay, because it shows strength in the move that it's just done. I then want to see a pullback again. I want to see it pull back so it tests this level, okay? This is what I mean by this. So it comes back, tests the level, give us signs of wick rejections, and then look for some continuations. I'd probably only want to go back up to this key level here, okay? And if we manage to break this level here, we're going to be looking very bullish, and obviously you want to see price come back, showing wick rejections at this top level here. Right, last but not least, we're looking at EU, okay? And to me, this is looking very rangy. We are seeing a slight uptrend, but really I'm noticing prices just going sideways, okay? We're failing to really break above this key level here. This isn't a break above because we simply pushed out, came back in, okay? So this is literally just excess price. Price has just pushed up, came back down. So there is a lot of sellers in this market here, but also there's a lot of buyers at this level here. But you can clearly see, guys, we're just bouncing between this support and resistance, this supply and demand zone. So really with EU, what I'd love to see, okay, is I would like to see price come back to this level. If we're going to look for buys, I want to see price come back to this level and give us a strong impulse move from it, okay? Give us a strong momentum shift to tell us that there's still buyers in this level. So we can take advantage of this range. If we can see wick rejections like this and a strong momentum shift, we could then maybe look for price to come back up to this level here. Something like that, okay? It's not going to be picture perfect, guys, but you just want to look out for the momentum shift and the wick rejections at the level, and I'd want to buy back up to this key resistance. But again, if we're going to be seeing sells, or if we're going to look for sells, what we'd want to see is, what I would like to see is, I'd like to see price come down and break this level. I'd want to see a strong close below that is indicating to us that we've completely knocked out all these buys that were here. I'd want to see a slight pullback again to indicate strength. I want to see wick rejections to show indecision at this level and the momentum shift to the downside. And then I'd want to see price to continue down, looking something like that. But for EU, overall, we're looking quite rangy, so we can maybe take advantage of the support and of the resistance level selling to and from. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this one. If you have, leave a comment, leave a like, and if you've gotten this far, guys, I really appreciate every single one of you. Drop a comment saying, yeah, I got to the end, because it really helps me out, alright? Like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I'll see you all in the next video.